You may not know this, but this was a moment that never was supposed to happen. Because Sara wasn't supposed to happen. Sara was a special needs child. She needed dance lessons, cheer lessons, gymnastics, and various other needs. But grew up at all and blessed watching her grow into the young woman she is now.
My beautiful Sara, I love you. You are my best friend. Today, I give myself to you. I promise to encourage you and to inspire you and to laugh with you. I promise to listen to your advice, even if I may not always take it. I promise to love you on all the days when it feels so easy and on the days when it seems so hard. When our love is simple and when it is an effort, because that is what marriage is, effort. And with you, I want to invest my entire being. I will be the rock on which you rest. I vow to be patient. I vow not only to listen, but to hear until you feel heard. Not only to love, but to be loved. And in this, I will always love you. When this brown hair is white, I vow to love you. And I will love you until the last breath leaves your body or mine. With you, I walk my path from this day forward.
Thousands of moments brought us here and created this beautiful love that we share. The first time someone meets you, the first thing they'll get to know about you is your heart, your laugh, and your favorite thing about them. You have the most pure and endlessly loving heart, and I feel so safe knowing that you'll fight for me and make me feel important and cared for every day. I can't vow that we'll never argue again or that I will close drawers when I'm done with them. But I can promise that I will love you entirely for the rest of your life and I'll never stop trying. I vow to be still for you when the rest of the world is hectic. I vow for my arms to always be your safe place and your home. I vow to always support and encourage your growth. I vow to surprise you with to-go sushi and Starbucks, not just because it's your favorite, but because I'll never stop reminding you in little ways that I love you. I vow to forsake all others and commit myself fully to you. As we grow, I vow to keep my young heart and passionate, and I'll never stop laughing with you. I vow to hold your hand and stay by your side as our lives, family, and smile lines grow. Thank you for loving my heart and every piece of who I am. I can't wait to be your wife. I love you, and you look really handsome.